A second brick-and-mortar exchange adds Bitcoin futures. Governments are cashing in on crypto seized in crimes. Do you know where your bananas came from? And pineapples saving the world. Hello and welcome to Blockchain News. Balanced, accurate, and holistic news and perspective on the cryptoverse in context, all things blockchain and what it means for you. I'm Jessica Zartler. Bitcoin futures are now trading on two major exchanges. We recently told you about the launch of XBT on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Now, Chicago Mercantile Exchange has launched Bitcoin futures contracts. On its first day of trading, the CME saw Bitcoin futures price exceed $20,000. NASDAQ recently announced it plans to launch futures sometime in 2018. Bitcoin's market cap is now over $300 billion, with Ethereum running second at around $71 billion. Governments are making bank off of cryptocurrency seized in criminal investigations. The US government announced it will sell 513 Bitcoins and an equal amount in Bitcoin Cash seized during an opioid drug case stemming from now defunct dark market Silk Road. When taken, the crypto was worth less than $500,000. With the spike in prices, it's now worth almost $10 million. This is not the first time the FBI has auctioned off cryptocurrency. The agency sold some tokens to the public for pennies on the dollar in 2014. South Korea actually just had a similar case where it auctioned 216 Bitcoins from a criminal case as well. Do you know where your bananas come from? Neither do I. Not yet. But many startups and retail giants are working with blockchain technology and supply chains to track where your food came from and food safety. There's a big project in China. Walmart announced it's teaming up with JD.com, an e-commerce platform with 200 million users, IBM, and an engineering lab at Tsinghua University to form the Blockchain Food Safety Alliance. They plan to link businesses and gather data, and the e-commerce giant plans to stock billions of dollars in food inventory to kick off the tracking project. Another big collaboration in this space is international group INS, a decentralized grocery marketplace teamed up with Swiss-based Ambrosis supply management blockchain, plus blockchain security project Civic. Ambrosis was the first blockchain project to partner with the UN on sustainability. INS says it's in talks with 7 out of the 20 top grocery suppliers. INS and Ambrosis want to connect manufacturers directly with consumers and disrupt the $8.5 trillion global grocery industry. Now, what would you do if you had more money than you can ever spend? It's happening a lot in the cryptoverse. One anonymous Bitcoiner says he or she has just that and is now raising and directing millions of dollars to nonprofits around the world. And you can see it all happening on the blockchain. Pineapple Fund says it has raised $86 million and supported 8 charities so far. It still has $84 million to give away and is currently taking applications from nonprofits around the world. Pineapple Fund lists its Bitcoin address for everyone to track on Block Explorers for transparency. Why the name Pineapple Fund? Well, the founder likes pineapples. They say the only bad thing about pineapple is you can't eat too much. I feel you, anonymous charity angel. I too love my pineapple. That's all for today's Blockchain News. I'm Jessica Zartler. If you have a news tip or story idea, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Like, subscribe, follow us on social, or to find out more about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the blockchain space, head to blockchain.wtf.